Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friends. Party!
Hello, Artie. I'm hungry. Why don't we draw some food today?
Okay.
How about a big, juicy hamburger?
Okay.
Hi, kids. Did you guys bring your paper and your markers?
You need to get yours, Artie.
Ooh, okie dokie.
Go on, get your markers.
I'm excited to see what Artie creates today.
Can you believe how high we are on this counter? I can see my box from here.
Ooh.
Mikey is so silly. Okay, come on, let's start. So let's do the top bread bun first, but I want you to leave a gap at the very top. So now do the right-hand side of the bun. That's excellent. And now connect the two from the bottom all the way across with a slight curve. That's right, that's the top bun. Now it's time to fill that gap up with two big oval-shaped eyes. So don't do a complete oval, Artie, just leave a space. Half an oval, and then do the other half. Connect the two. There we go. Perfect set of eyes. Let's do some pupils in the middle. Draw a little oval and shade it all in black. Don't forget the other one. How about some big eyebrows? Left side. Shade it all in. Nice and black. Now do the right side eyebrow. That's great. Shade that in as well. There we go. Time for a smiley mouth, because this is a very happy hamburger. Let's do his tongue sticking out, because he's a delicious hamburger. Now do the rest of the mouth. That's right. And then shade that in all black, so it looks like the tongue is sticking out from his mouth. Excellent. Colour break? You want to stop for a colour break? Okay, let's do that.
Hello, little artists. It's time for Betty Brush's Color Break. Today's color is one of my favorite colors, purple. Did you know that if you add white to purple, you get a lighter color purple called violet? Purple is also the color of Artie's sleeves and collar. Purple is also the color of one of my favorite vegetables, this sweet potato.
Oh, thank you, Betty. Now I know all about the colour purple.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, Artie, should we carry on with our juicy, happy hamburger? Now we're going to do the lettuce. This is the most healthy part of the hamburger. We're going to do lots of little curves, and then later on, Artie will colour that in green.
I can't tell what this is going to be, but it looks wonderful already.
It's going to be a hamburger, Betty. Okay, so now we're adding a slice of cheese. Yummy. How about a slice of tomato? You know, Artie, where I come from, we say tomato. You say tomato, I say tomato. Let's just call the whole thing off. Now I'm noticing we're drawing a hamburger, but we haven't actually drawn the hamburger yet. Let's start. Let's do the burger patty. Here we go. It's looking good. I think it's time to draw the bottom of the bread bun. That's it, Artie. You know, I was hungry when we started today's show. Now I'm really hungry. Let's give our burger some legs. Big burger feet. Time for the right leg. Try and make it match the left one if you can, Artie. That's right. Join those together and then that little... There you go.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
It is fun, Betty and Mikey. How about some arms? And a hand. Oh, Artie, you draw a claw. Maybe this is a crab burger.
Wow, 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 wow.
Oh, it's a lobster burger. Well, that's quite unusual, but that's the beauty of art. We can do whatever we want. Some dots just to give the burger a little texture. He looks excellent, Artie. Really good job. You finished? Well, I think your lobster burger is fantastic. Should we colour him in now? Let's do it. You finished?
Yeah.
I love how you coloured in the slice of cheese. Are you hungry now as well?
Yeah.
Let's go get a burger.
Wait.
Oh, you're excited. Let's go to our favourite burger place.
Goodbye, Artie!
Hey, kids, have a great day.
Thank you so much for watching, little artists. I hope you have an arty day. And goodbye for now from me and the gang. Say goodbye, Artie.
Bye.